Hey everyone, let's jump straight into this video. So I'm going to start off by spritzing my face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. I love anything to spritz on my face. I'm obsessed with them at the moment. And then I just used a comb to pull my hair really tightly back into a bun at the back of my head, and then I just used an elastic to tie it up. And then I just went in with some hairspray and just sprayed it all over the crown of my head to really stick down any flyaways. And then I'm going to go in with some skincare. I'm just using the Simple, it's like a brand called Simple, but it's just like a really simple moisturizer and eye cream. And then I'm going to start off with a eye contact. It is a black one, and I'm just going to pop that in, and then we're going to start on the face. Firstly, I just want to say that I changed this look so many times whilst I was doing it because I didn't really have a sense of direction. I was kind of just freehanding what I was doing. But yeah, I will also list all the products that I used in the description box down below because on the top of my head I don't know all the names and the colors, but I did use all aqua paints today, so they're all water activated. So I first went in with like a metallic pinky purple one, but then I decided I wanted to be like more pink, so I went over the top with like a matte pink, and then I just highlighted my face again with the first paint that we used, which was that metallic kind of highlighty pinky kind of purpley color, but I just put that in all the highest points of my face, so anywhere that I would usually contour whilst doing normal makeup. And then I went in with a matte blue, like a really deep sea blue. It kind of reminds me of like the really deep sea, and then I just placed that around my forehead and down my cheekbones and also my jawline and kind of like down the center of my neck, just anywhere you would normally like contour and highlight. That's kind of what I did, but with the paint, if you know what I mean. I just switched up between a brush and also just like a disposable sponge, and then I just kept going back in and out with product like the paint, just to kind of work up the color and blend it out again. It's all a process, you know what I mean. Then to set it all down, because we are going to do some shading on top, I just used the RCMA No Color powder on a big fluffy powder brush and just pretty much doused myself in it. Then I'm going to pick up this royal blue eyeshadow. So the eyeshadows that I use today are either by Morphe or Makeup Geek, but just check the description box down below if you guys are wanting to know what eyeshadows they are, because I will leave them all listed in order down there. But I just pretty much took that kind of where I put the blue paint, so I just kind of defined it a bit more and made it a bit more vibrant. I just placed that down the cheekbones and kind of, I don't know how to explain this, but kind of the sides of my chin, around my forehead, down my jawline, my cheek, I already said cheekbones, Jesus, this is going way too fast, my eyes, the crease of my eyes, my nose, just anywhere I would literally usually contour. And then I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow. It's like a kind of pearly pinky shade, and I'm just placing that anywhere I would usually highlight. Now I do go in with a highlighting palette, but that just intensifies like the kind of bits I want to highlight even more. So this was just like a base. If you guys have been watching my YouTube channel for the last couple of years, you will know that I mainly focus on beauty, but I do sometimes do like painting and special effects, and lately one of my goals has been to kind of focus more on painting and special effects. So I am still learning, so if you see me do something that you wouldn't do, please don't be nasty about it. I learn from my mistakes, so yeah, I just wanted to quickly say that. But now we're going in with, I know this is Corrupt by Makeup Geek, and I'm just pretty much giving myself some eyebrows, and then I decided to give myself pretty much a black eye. Like I said, I was going freehand and didn't really have any sense of direction, so yeah, this is just me giving myself a black eye pretty much. Because we were doing like the purple people eater kind of thing, I thought this would be, I don't know, appropriate to give myself some extra googly eyes, I guess. Then I go in with Fluid Line. No, this isn't Fluid Line. This is by MAC, this eye pencil. It's a black shade. I can't remember the name of it, but I just placed that in my waterline, the top and the bottom on the black eye, and then on the other side I used the NYX Wonder Pencil and just placed that in my waterline to kind of open my eyes up even more. And for lashes, I think these are from Egyptian Queen Beauty. I'm not sure of the name, but I will leave them down below. Once again, just going in with a little bit more of Corrupt by Makeup Geek and just kind of defining the features of the face that I want to like shrink more, I guess. So the cheekbones and also the temples and kind of like the décolletage area. So now I'm going to go in and highlight using the Sigma Chroma Glow palette, which I've been loving lately. I just took the purpley shade, not sure of the name, I'll leave it down below, and I just highlighted all the points I would usually highlight doing my normal makeup. And then I just went back in with a lighter shade to kind of pop the areas that I wanted to like pop even more, if that makes sense. So like the tops of the cheekbones, the cupid's bow, the nose, and again the décolletage. And then I've just got some googly eyes. They're just from like the craft store, and I just used some eyelash glue to pop them on because I could not find my spirit gum for the life of me. I have no idea where it's gone. But I also mixed up the eyes with like some little gems. I think that's what you call them, I guess. Gems, a little sparkly kind of silvery things. I just thought it was a bit more glam. For the lips, I used a lip cream by NYX Cosmetics. It is a metallic one in the shade, I think, Asteroid, but I will leave it down below. It's just like a purpley one. And then I used some glitter just to pop in the inner corner of like the normal eye, I guess, and also in the center of my lips. And then, time for glam, we just chucked on some accessories, and here we have the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like if you did and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!